Man, I think this is my best modification to this bike yet. But the more I become in tune with this bike, the more I'm going to learn. Which means if you're subscribed, you're going to learn. Can you see what's going on here? Can you see what's different? Do you know what I did? Oh, this just feels so much better. I mean, I feel like I fit now. Look at this. Oh, you're catching on now, right? You see what I did. How did I do that? For this mod, you are going to need a 4, a 3, and a 2 millimeter. Hex keys, wrenches. The 4 is for this, for your brakes. The 3 goes underneath here. Remember how in a previous video we learned how to adjust this up so you could see it and reach it better? Now it's tactical. Tactical. And this, if you remember from the other previous video, we're going to use to adjust our reach on the brake lever. That goes in right. Hello. Right there. 3 wrenches. Takes maybe 2 minutes to do this mod. So basically, you loosen this up, you remove these 2 bolts, takes that half of the clamp off, you slide it over, you put it back together, you tighten it up, and then I use this to adjust the reach by 1/4 of an inch in. And I've burped and bled my brakes enough to where I've got pretty good pressure up there, even though I only got 1 piston. Still, I only got 1 piston working. All right, man. Thumbs up. See ya.